Hi, this is Monica, and today I'm going to tell you how to make, simple St. Patrick's Day clover leaves. So one is a 3 and one is a 4, 4 clover leaf. And I just have a cardstock. You can do it on anything. You could even do it on paper napkins or anything for decoration in your house. So this is very easy and simple. So you can do multiples very easily. So this one is I got some dark green, some lime green. So this is green forest in folk art paints. This is lime green, floating medium, and I was just painting these here. So I have my track already there where I was blending in. So this is a 16 size brush, and my brush handle is kind of messed up, but all you need to have is a good brush that gets into a good chisel edge. All right. And here we go. I'm doing a 50-50 load, which means that I've got my brush loaded up 50% in green, dark green, and 50% in the lime green. And I'm pressing in just enough to get adequate amount of paint in my brush, and it's smooth, and I'm dipping it into the floating medium and just making sure I have enough paint. Okay, so we'll do the 3 clover one first because that's relatively easier. So just go in, and what you're going to do is actually paint a heart. So it's push up. This is exactly what we call the teardrop stroke. Only thing is we're just continuing it in like that. Now the clover leaves do have that segment in the center that shows, so you could end it completely on your chisel edge like this, and then drag up again so you get a more pronounced center division. Okay, so the trick is to get up on the chisel edge. Now you're going to leave just a little bit of space there because you don't want them clinging together, and then you make another heart. Okay, and if this angle is difficult for you, you can always turn it around. So you see it's almost become a straight line now, so I need to go a little more than a straight line there, right? And then you can turn it around again to suit your needs. And then you want to now make sure that you have an angle, you have your indications where you're going to start and end, so you don't go too much out and you get your positioning right. Right? All right. I got that, right? So you see this? So that's your 3 clover. And you can just blend your brush in, make sure you're on a nice chisel edge, and then pick a spot there to pull in a nice stem, right? Now we'll do the 4. The 4 one, okay, so if you see, if we had to fit in 2 more here, we definitely want to end just before halfway mark for the first 2, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put in our first one, okay? 1. And then after that, when I'm putting in my indications for the second one, I want to make sure that I'm ending not exactly in a straight line, but slightly before the straight line is complete. So I'm leaving some kind of less space than this one because, we do have to fit in 4 instead of 3. So because of that, you want to make sure that your triangular space that you leave in between is slightly less. All right. And your strokes are also just that wee bit smaller because you do need to fit 4 in. So if you see, mine is almost a straight line, but not really. It's going up a little bit, and that helps a little bit. And don't put too much of gap when you're doing your third one because you do want to make sure you have enough space. You could go and put an indication of where you need to end it to if that helps you, right? That's your fourth. And now you have enough space. Definitely here you would want to kind of give a clear indication of where you want to start and end. Turn it to your angle that kind of helps you. I'm working more in an angle that would kind of look or rather be visible on the camera. If when you're doing a composition, if it overlaps another leaf, please don't try to reduce the size of this. Instead, just put a double coat and try to make sure that your whatever is on top is just done correctly. That looks better than trying to squeeze in a design, right? And I'm wondering, should I put it from here? Oh, I think this one from here would look better. I'm cutting in. You see that? So those are two leaves. If you don't like two and you want to put in three, you could put another one in here. All right. Just to show you all, I can put in a quick one. So now I'm just going to like speed it up and do it a little quick. So I got one in there. Okay, I don't like that shape. Okay, that's one. And that's two. If you're running out of paint, take a little more paint. I am running out of paint, so I'm reblending in some more paint. But you see, I managed quite a few petals with just that one loaded brush. Because if you load your brush well, it kind of really goes quite a bit. Three, and there you go, four, and we are done, right? And I'm wondering where I wish put my stem from. Okay, so see that? That's it. Simple as that. And you have a nice St. Patrick's Day clover leaf design, which you could use anywhere. You know, you could use these for your gift wraps. Sorry, in your gift bags. You could use it in so many places, and it does not take time to do at all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all will try this out. Happy St. Patrick's Day to all of you. Bye bye.